Ever get that sinking feeling when you need cash, only to realize you might have maxed out your withdrawals? We've all been there. But what if your savings account wasn't holding you hostage? What if you could access your hard-earned money without worrying about hidden fees or limitations? Well, friends, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of Ally savings accounts. Ally Bank, the online banking giant, has become a popular choice for its competitive interest rates and user-friendly platform. But with all that convenience, there has to be a catch, right? Especially when it comes to withdrawals. So, the burning question, how many transactions can you actually make from your Ally savings account? Here's the deal, Ally limits certain withdrawals and transfers from their savings accounts to 10 per statement cycle. That means within a specific period, typically a month, you can make up to 10 withdrawals or transfers online or via mobile banking. This applies to transfers between Ally accounts or even sending money to a third party. Now, before you panic, here's the good news, there's no penalty fee for exceeding the 10 transaction limit. Ally won't whack you with extra charges for needing your own money, occasionally. However, there is a catch. If you consistently go over the limit, Ally might decide your account isn't a good fit and close it down. So, while they won't nickel and dime you, they do want to see this account used as a, well, savings account. But wait, there's more. This 10 transaction limit only applies to specific withdrawal methods. Here's what's unlimited. Deposits, go nuts. Ally lets you add as much money to your savings account as you want, whenever you want. Phone withdrawals, need some old-fashioned customer service? You can call Ally directly and request a check to be mailed to you. This bypasses the online and mobile banking restriction. So, what does this all mean? Ally savings account offers a great balance between flexibility and encouraging good savings habits. The 10 transaction limit might seem restrictive at first, but it's important to remember this is a savings account, not a checking account. For everyday transactions, Ally offers their interest checking account, which comes with a debit card and unlimited withdrawals. Here's the takeaway. Ally savings accounts allow for 10 withdrawals or transfers per statement cycle via online and mobile banking. There's no fee for exceeding the limit, but consistent overages could lead to account closure. Deposits and phone withdrawals are unlimited. With this knowledge, you can make an informed decision about whether an Ally savings account is the right fit for you. If you're a disciplined saver who primarily uses your savings account for what it's intended, the 10 transaction limit shouldn't be a problem. But remember, there are other online banks out there, and some might offer even more flexibility. Do your research and find the savings account that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.